One of the services that we offer at BW 3D Printing is servicing of machines. So this is an Ender 3 V2 that we're currently servicing for a client. We did two major jobs on it. We changed the hot end as well as changed the extruder. It was using a single type extruder, and then we upgraded it to a dual gear extruder. So the problems that the client had with it was that when printing, it would eventually, the temperature would go up, but during printing, it would eventually drop. So that is usually because of either poor connections or there's probably something wrong with the thermistor. So before changing the entire hot end, which was the planned maintenance or the planned plan, for lack of a better word, of this particular printer, we had to investigate why the temperature was acting the way it was, and it was because of the loose connection in the motherboard. One of the plugs, or the thermistor plug, was further loose, so we put it back in tight and snug, and then after changing the hot end into the new one, everything was okay. So we also offer 3D printing services, machine servicing, or machine maintenance, and we currently only do this for Creality printers. We don't offer maintenance for any other type of printer apart from Creality. So if you need any maintenance if you need any maintenance for your machine, we are your go-to company. BW 3D Printing. You think it, we print it. Right now I'm printing a Duke test model to see if indeed this printer is a-okay.